so many great features in this town mall. Hi, I'm Leanne, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. Out here to show you this gorgeous townhouse. It's 1842 square foot. It's got 3 bedrooms. It's got 2.5 baths plus a loft. Great kitchen, great layout. You're going to love it. Get it now.
All right, so this is a really nice layout. Really nice flooring, granite kitchen, a lot of cabinets, pantry, which is nice. Sometimes you run into these homes that don't have a pantry. All right, so half bath down. Now, I normally don't do the garage, but it does have epoxy floors, great filtration, tankless water heater, storage. And also plantation shutters throughout. And I think this might be, no, that's a coat closet. Okay. Head upstairs. And then this is the spot where I always say like and subscribe on the shorter tours. So there really is nothing to do in this property except move in. I mean, the paint's great, flooring's great. So shower, glass doors. Here's bedroom 1. Again, plantation shutters throughout. Bedroom 2, plus the loft. So nice. All right, this is the primary. Step back to the closet because it's good size. Head over to the other corner. And for $425,000, it's just steps to Potenza Park with pools. The street that this home is on is quiet. It's not like Via Forenza where you're slammed with traffic. Anyhow, thanks. All right. You know the drill. Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. We have all listings from every brokerage, all there on our site. We do these tours every week, and we are going to hit 60 tours this weekend. So thanks for watching. Let us know if you want to see this.